had a bit of a thunderstorm. It seems to have passed, and the plan of action for today is get some jet skis and do a little bit of island hopping, just bounce around and hopefully get some nice footage. Fingers crossed, the sky's clear, and yeah, let's rock and roll. So we're down at the beach, just about to go on our island hopping kind of tour on the jet skis. This should be a bit of fun. Kind of very excited about this, so let's see how we get on. So just chilling here with the guys. Just a little pit stop. So I have entrusted in Lena to take control of the jet ski. I don't know if this was a wise decision. No hands! So Lena is just guiding us into, how do you pronounce this, Dayang Bunting Marble. We're going to have a little pit stop here, and we're going to get a little bit of lunch and then continue our island hopping tour. And I must admit, it's absolutely amazing. I was holding on for my dear life, you know, but all good. So we just finished our little pit stop. Now we're going to head off and explore a few more islands. Happy days, it's so much fun. Is Lena wearing?
My island hopping fashion.
Island hopping fashion, oh my god. You're like the eagle whisperer over there. So we just made another little pit stop on this beautiful remote island, and I think I'm going to go for a swim in the water. Why not? Lena's driving us back to the main island now. This should be a bit of fun. But wow, stunning views. So that's the end of the jet ski tour. We got to go to 8 different islands all around Langkawi, and it's absolutely breathtaking. Highly recommend it. Wow, what more can I say?